Oxford StrongFence is a Chapter 8 advanced barrier system, often used in construction and streetworks jobs. It was designed in 2018 by Thames Water and Transport for London. A single person can install StrongFence in 5 easy steps. First, drop the base into place with front facing the roadway. Next, slot in the anti-climb middle section and hook it onto the previous barrier if you're adding it to an existing line. Then take the StrongFence top and slot this into the middle section. Once you've built the whole line of StrongFence, secure the fence together using a regular metal connection clamp. Lastly, stand behind the StrongFence line and attach the clamp. Use a spanner to secure in place and take care not to over-tighten. To keep StrongFence upright and stable, install a backstay on every 5th barrier. Build the StrongFence perpendicular to the main line and secure the top with a metal clamp. Anti-climb, anti-tamper and easy to install. One pallet of StrongFence provides 15 meters of protection for the public, your workforce and your site.